You use AI every day, but you're using 20% of what it can do. These are 15 workflows I use daily that nobody talks about. Some save me 5 minutes, some save me 5 hours. Every single one is copy paste ready. Save this video, you'll come back to it. Workflow 1: the morning AI briefing. Instead of opening 5 apps to check what happened overnight, paste this into Claude. Read my email subjects, calendar for today, and these Slack messages. Give me a prioritized to-do list with time estimates. Categorize: must do today, can wait, FYI only. 30 seconds. Your entire day planned. I haven't opened my email app first thing in the morning in 3 months. Workflow 2: the 5-minute cache rule. Most people don't know this. Claude's prompt cache lasts 5 minutes. If you step away for 6 minutes, your next message costs 125% instead of 10%. The fix: run/compact before every break. Before lunch, before a meeting, before getting coffee. One command saves you 10 times the token cost. This single habit tripled my session capacity. Workflow 3: two model routing. Stop running everything on Opus. 80% of your tasks, formatting, simple edits, documentation, lookups, work perfectly on Haiku or Sonnet at a fraction of the cost. Only use Opus for deep reasoning, architecture decisions, and complex debugging. One switch, 3 times more capacity on the same plan. Nobody upgrades their plan because of this trick. They just stop needing to. Workflow 4: CLAUDE.md as your operating system. Create a file called CLAUDE.md in your project root. Put your coding style, architecture decisions, never do list, and current sprint priorities in it. Claude reads this file every single turn. Without it, you're re-explaining yourself every session. With it, Claude knows your entire project instantly. I have a 5-section template that covers architecture, conventions, testing, priorities, and exclusions. This is the highest leverage thing you can configure. Workflow 5: Parallel Subagent Research. While your main agent is coding, spin up a subagent to research documentation in parallel. Say, use a subagent to find every usage of this API in our codebase while you refactor this module. 2 agents, 1 prompt, half the time. Most people do everything sequentially. This is the cheat code for speed. Workflow 6: the document compression trick. Never paste a long document directly into your working chat. Open a throwaway chat, paste the doc, ask Claude to summarize into 5 key points with specific numbers and dates. Then take that summary to your real working session. 10 pages become 5 bullets. Your working chat stays lean for 20 plus messages. 60 to 80% token savings. This one habit alone pays for your subscription. Workflow 7: cold outreach from a LinkedIn profile. Copy someone's LinkedIn About section and paste it into Claude with this prompt. Based on this profile, write a cold email that references their specific experience, identifies a pain point relevant to what I sell, and offers one concrete insight they can use immediately. Under 80 words. No pitch in the first email. You get hyper-personalized outreach in 30 seconds that would take 15 minutes to write manually. Workflow 8: voice memo to structured action items. Record a voice memo on your phone after a meeting or while walking. Upload it to Claude. Transcribe this and extract every action item, decision made, and question that was left open. Format as a table with owner, deadline, and priority. Unstructured audio becomes structured project management in 60 seconds. I do this after every meeting now. Workflow 9. 2-minute competitor teardown. Paste a competitor's URL and say, analyze this company's pricing architecture, ideal customer profile, top 3 strengths, top 3 weaknesses, and 3 market gaps they're ignoring. Format as a board ready brief for a CEO with 5 minutes. You get a $1,000 consulting deliverable in 2 minutes. Run this on 3 competitors, and you have a full competitive landscape before your morning coffee. Workflow 10. Auto generated Git commits. After every code change, Claude reads your diff and writes a conventional commit message. Never write one manually again. It sounds small, but it saves 5 to 10 minutes per day, and your commit history becomes consistently formatted and useful. Set this up with a hook that runs after every file edit. Zero effort, permanent benefit. Workflow 11. The pushback prompt. Add this to every important prompt. Before answering, list the top 3 weaknesses of this approach and be direct. Then proceed. This forces Claude to challenge your thinking before committing to an answer. Instead of 5 rounds of refine this, you get 1 round with the objections addressed upfront. Fewer iterations, better output, less tokens burned. Workflow 12. The do not list. Most people tell AI what to do. Power users tell it what not to do. Add these to every system prompt. Do not use phrases like you can also consider. Do not add disclaimers. Do not write a concluding summary. Do not explain code unless asked. These exclusions eliminate 50% of the filler that wastes your tokens and your time. Put them in your CLAUDE.md and they apply to every session automatically. Workflow 13. Spreadsheet to instant insights. Paste any spreadsheet data and say, identify the 3 most important trends, the one thing that needs immediate attention, and one recommendation I should act on this week. Format as 3 bullet points. No setup, no BI tool, no dashboard. Just paste and get the answer. 14. Meeting prep in 60 seconds. Before any call, paste the person's name and company and say, give me 5 talking points, 2 questions to ask, and 1 insight about their industry from the last 30 days. 15. Weekly review automation. Every Friday, paste your week's tasks and say, what did I spend the most time on? What should I delegate next week? And what one thing should I stop doing? 15 workflows, all copy-paste ready. I put every single prompt into a free PDF. Comment, workflows, and I'll send it to you. For those who want the complete Claude Code deep dive, my guide is linked in the description. Subscribe for more workflows that actually move the needle.